Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. When you try to join the Roblox server and it says this experience is unavailable due to your account setting. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. You can use this method on Android and iOS platform. Now what we have to do, launch the Roblox app. Now tap on three dot in bottom right corner. Here we have to tap on settings and tap privacy. After that, we have to turn off account restriction or enable. Under communication, tap default, everyone, friends, and everyone. Now scroll, and under other setting we have to select everyone, and everyone. Now close this page. Force close the Roblox app. Tap and hold App Store. Menu will appear, tap on updates. Now check the list. Is there any update available for Roblox? If there is, then the update Roblox app. That's it. With this simple and easy setting, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.